Hundreds of evacuations and thousands of acres destroyed. The grim fight against the fires up north continued this morning. We've seen long hours weighing on the firefighters as the flames continue to grow by the day.
It's hard to see, hard to watch, but the fact of the matter is yeah, the conditions are right, and I haven't seen one take off and move as quickly as this one.
Earlier this week, Governor Walz activated the National Guard to support the DNR in their battle against the flames. Now, they say morale is high as they work to contain the largest of the fires. Our Barrett Leone joining us from the live desk this morning. What we're learning from the Guard, Barrett?
Yeah, well, it's been a long, heavy week for those on the front lines of these fires, but soldiers say they're honored to help out in any way they can. A team of 20 Minnesota National Guard airmen and soldiers are taking to the skies to help battle the flames. The team has been stationed in 2 harbors since Monday. That's when Governor Walz deployed them there. They're working with a total of 4 aircrafts, and each helicopter can pick up and dump 600 gallons of water at a time. We caught up with Captain Sydney Bowe, who tells us it's hard, meaningful work.
It's been long days. It's very mentally and physically taxing, just controlling the aircraft with all the winds and trying to get it in the right spot for the drops that the DNR wants, as well as just looking out for other aircraft, having that positive crew communication the entire time. So it is taxing, but like I said, we're honored to be here. It's what most of us signed up for, is to be able to help, and especially help out in our community is really important.
So right now, the 3 fires in St. Louis County have burned a combined 37,000 acres at last check, 0% containment. Captain Bowe says they're trained for this, though, and they will continue their mission.
We're quite thankful for their service. All right, Barrett, thank you.